Keeping your car in great shape isn't just about pride. It's about saving money on costly repairs and replacements down the road. With proper care, you can significantly extend your vehicle's lifespan. Here are some essential tips to help your car go the extra mile. 1. Get regular oil changes. If you only do one thing to maintain your car, make sure to change your oil on time, every time. Oil keeps your engine lubricated, preventing friction and overheating. Without regular oil changes, your engine could seize up, leading to one of the most expensive repairs imaginable. Follow your vehicle's recommended oil change schedule to keep your engine running smoothly. 2. Wash and wax your car regularly. Hand washing and waxing your car protects its paint and prevents rust, especially if your car is exposed to road salt or tree sap. Waxing provides a protective layer, shielding your paint from the elements and keeping your car looking new. 3. Drive smoothly. Driving habits have a significant impact on vehicle longevity. Excessive speeding and sudden braking put stress on your car, causing parts like brake pads to wear out faster. Driving at moderate speeds and braking gently can prevent wear and tear, helping your car last longer. Stay on top of routine maintenance. Routine maintenance, as outlined in your vehicle's manual, can extend its life. Essential maintenance tasks include tire replacements, air filter changes, transmission fluid checks, and belt inspections. Regular maintenance can absolutely help prevent small issues from turning into costly repairs. Rotate and align your tires. Rotating your tires spreads out the wear evenly, which prolongs their life and maintains traction. Getting your tires aligned ensures that they make proper contact with the road, giving you a safer, smoother ride. Regular rotations and alignments are easy steps that can make a big difference. Remove road salt. If you live in a coastal area or somewhere that salts roads during the winter, regularly removing salt from your car is essential. Salt can cause rust, especially on the undercarriage, leading to costly damage if left untreated. 7. Avoid moisture damage. Moisture can lead to rust, especially on the car's undercarriage. Avoid driving through deep water and try not to park on dirt or grass, as this can trap moisture. Flooded roads pose mechanical risks, so always choose the safe route. 8. Prevent pest infestations. Did you know cars attract pests like mice and bugs? To avoid this, keep your vehicle free of food wrappers and crumbs, seal any gaps, and use pest traps if needed. A pest-free car is safer and more pleasant to drive, and it prevents interior and engine bay damage. 9. Maintain proper tire inflation. Properly inflated tires reduce wear and prevent stress on your suspension. Check your tire pressure monthly to ensure it's at the manufacturer recommended level, as under or overinflated tires wear out faster and can be a safety hazard. 10. Condition leather seats. If your car has leather seats, regular conditioning will prevent cracking and fading. Conditioning keeps the leather supple and helps maintain your car's resale value in excellent condition, potentially maximizing insurance payouts if the vehicle is totaled. 11. Use a windshield shade. If you often park in direct sunlight, a windshield shade can protect your interior from UV damage, preventing dashboard cracking and upholstery fading. It's an inexpensive way to keep your car's interior looking new. With these tips, you can keep your car running smoothly for years to come, saving you money on repairs and improving your car's resale value. Regular care and mindful habits make a big difference in extending your car's lifespan and ensuring you enjoy every mile.